Got a background image in PowerPoint? Here's how to make it tiled and mirrored for a stunning effect. First, set a background image on your slide, using the standard method. Select Tile Picture as Texture option. Adjust the Scale X and Scale Y values to control the size of the tiled image. Set the Offset X and Offset Y values to fine-tune the image position on the slide. Choose an Alignment option to define how the tiles are arranged across the background. Select a mirror type to apply a mirrored effect to the tiled background for a stylish look.